Once upon a time, there was a little bird named Twinkle. Twinkle loved to fly high in the sky and watch the world below. One day, while flying, she saw a beautiful garden filled with colorful flowers. She decided to take a closer look. As she landed on a flower, she saw a small caterpillar munching on a leaf. The caterpillar looked up and said, "Hello there, Twinkle. Would you like to be my friend?" Twinkle smiled and said, "Yes, I would love to be your friend." And from that day on, Twinkle and the caterpillar became the best of friends. As the days passed, the caterpillar grew bigger and bigger, until one day it spun a cocoon around itself. Twinkle was sad to see her friend go, but she knew that something amazing was about to happen. Days turned into weeks, and finally, the cocoon began to shake. Out came a beautiful butterfly. The butterfly looked at Twinkle and said, "Thank you for being my friend. Now I can fly high in the sky with you." And so, Twinkle and the butterfly flew high in the sky, enjoying the beauty of the world below. The end. Subscribe and like me if you love.